Hi everyone, it's me again, Plant Orchids. Good morning. Just want to share to you guys my plants again. After malinis and mapalitan ang pwesto nila. So, hope you enjoy this video guys. Ayan, this is Nicholas. Dalawa sila dati, pinaghiwalay ng asawa ko. As you can see, this is New Heights. And this is Osmanthus. 5 days pa lang sa akin to guys, bagong bili. May bukol din yan. And macaron. Bali 3 palapag to guys, kaso ang tangkad, kailangan ko ng footstool para makuhanan ko ng video yung nasa taas. So, ito ay si Beyonce. Si Love Heart. Red Dragon Queen. And that's all guys. Bye-bye. Thank you.